So this one consists of 3 objects, the soldier, the weapon he's holding, and the truck in the background, the truck tank. It's a 3D scan from Sketchfab. I got it for free. If I'm going to use any Sketchfab models, I'm going to link them below in the description if you want to check them out. They're downloadable for free to use, mostly with concepts probably, because they're very high density and not optimized for any other work, like not for animation. So the soldier is a sculpt I did here using a base mesh. It's like remeshed then through a bunch of textures. Not a bunch, it's like one texture using a stencil method, just like printed on top, projected from view. So the weapon is modeled here in Blender using hard ops and box cutter add-ons. Again, this is not optimized for animation, but it's pretty good to quickly sculpt or model something. The lighting setup is very simple, using 2 point lights, one on the left for the rim light on the soldier, and one in the back for the lit up sky behind this object. This concept doesn't have a name. The cycles is at 1,000 samples with no denoising, because I didn't mind the noise. The next one consists of 2 point light. 1 point light. And a bunch of Sketchfab models, again, surrounding the duplicated soldier, reduced just to do a silhouette. The AK is a free model from Sketchfab. And one flash in the back, the very bright point light. Same density volume at 0.1. This one is called Silence and Gunshots. Lame. So the next one is a more complex scene, but again, using only pre-made assets. Since this was a study in volumetrics, I just used free stuff and stuff that I had before. So the spacesuit is just a sculpt from a while back that I have left. I duplicated it, put a flashlight on the helmet, got the same weapon from the other file, and yeah, just like I made a kind of a story shot, unsolicited delivery, guy holding a suitcase, the other guy's pointing at him with the weapons. I don't know if you can see them from this far away, but I think the vehicles helped a lot here, apart from like the volumetric lighting. The vehicles are from Rust Shake. He's available, or the vehicles are available for free on Sketchfab, mostly, or on his Patreon. The lighting here is again mostly practical, using the headlights, just area lamps attached to car parts, and I think that's it. The background, you can't tell from here, but it's just a couple of emission textures from texture.com, textures.com, and a couple of assets from Geometry Revive's a city building asset pack that you can get from his tutorials on Gumroad. And the ground is a 3D scan again from Sketchfab, but it's scaled so much that you can see the individual vertices just jumping off, and I had to like paint it over in Krita later to hide the rough edges. So it turned out okay because we can see like there's a clear foreground at the darker part of this image, the midground with the guys holding weapons, and the background which is like completely obscured by fog or atmosphere of this planet. And this is rendered at 2,000 samples and cycles with no denoising. I think that's it.